For as far back as year we've been getting reports of a BMW M2 Competition in transit, supported, Sasquatch-like, with a scrap of a covert operative shot. The brand adherents at Bimmerpost now have photographic and van bolster for the model that will supplant the present M2, not be sold close by it. The 365 strength M2 is as of now one of our most loved autos. The M2 Competition should press our catches significantly harder with 405 horsepower. The additional stallions accompany a change from the 3.0-liter, single-turbo, 6-barrel N55 motor to a detuned form of the 3.0-liter, twin-turbo S55 inline-six from the M3 and M4. The S55 redesigns the N55 with things like more grounded cylinders and a lightweight crankshaft. In those big Ram cars, the S55 makes 425 horsepower in standard appearance, 444 horsepower in competition spec. A 7-speed M-DCT and a 6-speed manual constitute the new M2's moving alternatives. In light of that solitary government operative shot, a more extensive grille, bigger front emissions, and re-etched side mirror lodgings factor into the plan changes. Two new outside shades, Silver Hockenheim and Sunset Orange, will join the four at present on the menu. Insides ought to be decked out in Dakota black cowhide with differentiating Kyalami orange or polar blue sewing. Bimmerpost says we ought to expect a M2 Competition uncover at the Beijing Motor Show in April. Generation is slated to begin in July, with conveyances beginning in the last piece of the year. Unit numbers will be founded on request, rather than being falsely constrained. No thought on cost yet the present M2 retails for $54,500, and the competition package on the M3/M4 includes $4,750. Having established a more sultry M2 in the close separation, M fans are as of now thinking about whether the since a long time ago supposed, all the more generally accessible M2 CS or 444 horsepower M2 GTS anticipate into the great beyond.
Thank you.